और प्रणाम एवरीवन। मेरे द्वारा असाइनमेंट दिया गया था हिंदी स्टोरी, लॉन्ग स्टोरी को इंग्लिश में नरेट करना था स्वयं खुद से। ठीक है, स्ट्रक्चर पढ़ा दिया गया था, वोकैब्स पढ़ा दिया गया था। आप देखते बच्ची खड़ी हैं मिस रिचा, ये हिंदी स्टोरी को, लॉन्ग स्टोरी है उसको इंग्लिश में नरेट करेंगे। कितना स्ट्रक्चर सही जाता है, फ्लुएंसी कितना, बॉडी लैंग्वेज कितना अच्छा है, कॉन्फिडेंस कितना अच्छा है। ठीक है, चलिए चेकते जानते हैं इनसे।
Me, success my.
You should narrate the story. Carry on.
Right now I am going to narrate story. There was a multimillionaire person whose name is Mr. John. He lives at Bangbins Colony in Hajipur. He had lots of money. He has an immense beautiful wife. Not only this, he has a son whose name is Tom. He is getting on for 26. He is getting on for 8 years old. Mr. John was posted in PNB. He was the best employee of PNB. That's why bank always sent him on bank tour. One day he went on bank tour. After 10 days he came back. His society said to him, Mr. John, your wife is departed from this world. She is no more. Mr. John, hardly shocked, he fallen in contemplative mood. He says, you are telling lie. You all are liar. But his society says, Mr. John, you should go your home and saw there. Mr. John go to his home. He saw really his wife is departed from this world and his son is weeping bitterly. Mr. John, hardly shocked and fallen in contemplative mood, he begins to think, who will nurse my offspring? He go to his kith and kin and adopt the Tom to his kith and kin. After some days, one by one, he go to his kith and kin and say to him to adopt the Tom, but no one adopt the Tom because they have scarcity of time. His one kith and kin advise him, Mr. John, you are getting on for 26 years old. That's why you should get second married. First, Mr. John he had not got second married, but according to condition and scarcity of time, after some day he had got second married. His second wife is so debauchy lady. She is always busy in kitty party and she not bring up the Tom. That's why Tom went on very bad path. One day Mr. John again go on bank tour. After some day he came back. His society said to him, Mr. John, your wife is so debauchy lady. She is always busy in kitty party. Mr. John, to hearing this, Mr. John got angry. He slapped him. But his society said, you should not, Mr. John, if you not rely on them, you should go at Paswan Chowk in Anamika Hotel.
So put your hand together for each other. बहुत अच्छा।